How to design a space by the help of human perspective. In this nature, you will find a particular proportion everywhere, whether it will be a human body, galaxy, flower. We call this as a golden ratio, which is the ratio of 1.6 every time. Now the question is, how can we use this number in architectural design? Here comes the biggest architect of the 20th century, which is known as the Corbusier, who decoded the human proportion in design. He defined the human body by the help of solar plexus of 113 cm, and the total height of the body is 183 cm, which is equivalent to 6 feet. And when your hand is upraised, your total height becomes 226 cm. So let's create a space with the same dimension, a box of 113 cm by 113 cm. Divide it into two parts. Now let's make an arc from the median of the line to the opposite corner of the box. So it becomes another box. Now let's make another box by taking the 90-degree angle from the new box to the median of the old box. If you divide these three boxes by the center line, you will get a proportion of spaces. Now let's put our human body back inside this space. We will get the proportion number, which is known as the red series and the blue series. And if you take the height of human body, which is 183 cm, and the solar plexus, which is 113 cm, if you subtract 183 minus 113, you will get 70. And if you subtract 113 minus 70, you will get 43. And you will get the whole series, which is known as the red series of the Corbusier. And if you double this number, we will get 54 cm, 86 cm, 140 cm, 226 cm, and it becomes the blue series of the Corbusier. Now let's understand how to use these numbers into the design. The height of the lower sitting chair, which is 27 cm. The height of the normal chair, which is 43 cm. The laptop table will become 70 cm. The handrails, which is equivalent to 86 cm. The standing table, which is 113 cm. And the human height that Corbusier took, which is equivalent to 183 cm. And the hand upraised of a human body, which is 226 cm, and so on. Now let's design a building with the same concept of human proportion. Corbusier used a certain number while designing the whole building of Unité de Habitation. And it will be very shocking for you that he designed the whole building by using just these 13 numbers, which is from red series and the blue series. He designed the whole facade by using the same concept of human proportion, by using the red series and the blue series. And if you decode them by the help of numbers, he repeated those numbers again and again, which is the height of the human body. The column's height, window, doors, rooms, balconies, everything he designed by the help of human perspective. And if you have a passion for architecture, you cannot ignore these principles. And we can also follow these principles into our design to make architecture more beautiful and elegant. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you in the next video. Salute.